So I love this because on the inside, you can see there's a little card. So you can cut this off, and if you want to put this like on the inside of your cabinets or wherever it's convenient for you, it has a protocol right on it that you can reference at any time. So it tells you what you can do with each of the products located inside. If you're wondering, oh, I have Deep Blue, what can I do with it? So this is a great little reference table for that. So now I'm going to go ahead and dive into the second. So this is kit number 2. It comes in this really nice bag because it's essentially they want you to use this bag again, which is perfect because you're going to go through these products really quickly. So you get a fresh tube of the Deep Blue Rub. So again, this is what was in that smaller packets, just in a larger tube. I use it all the time. I love it. I go through it really quick. Here's another little reference card for you for how to use every product in this kit. It comes with wintergreen essential oil. So wintergreen essential oil is great again for soothing and relaxing. You can diffuse it, you can use it with fractionated coconut oil, you can rub it on any joints or muscles. And then this is Copaiba. So I love Copaiba because this is kind of like a really good calming, relaxing oil that you can take internally. It's just little soft gels that you can use. I love using that. I take one every day. And then that's what's in kit number 1. Oh, I almost forgot. So this is the little tube. So it's empty, but you can fill it with your larger tube, and it's so convenient. Again, if you want to put this in like your running pouch, or if you want to leave it in your car, or you want to travel with it, it actually also has little rolling balls, so you can massage it right on your targeted spot without having to like take the top off, squeeze it on your hand, rub it in. You can just take the top off, squeeze a little bit out so it's filling the roller balls, and just roll it right on, which is pretty cool. I like that. And then the third kit, so again, what you can do is you can either just start from kit number 1 again, because you'll probably use all those products by the time you get to the third kit or the third month, or you can try one of the other 2 targeted wellness kits. So in this one again, it comes with the Relief Kit number 3 instructions, so everything in it, protocols on how and what they can be used for. Here's the turmeric gels, which is great for anti-inflammatory. It's great for inflammation. So it's a really uniquely powerful synergy of turmeric and oils to help with inflammation. Here's the rollerball blend, so you can make rollerball blends yourself using the essential oils if you want to use that came in your first kit. The Aroma Touch, the Wintergreen, or the Deep Blue. You can put a couple drops, I recommend about 5 to 15 drops in here, and then fill the rest up with the fractionated coconut oil. So here's like a little mini one. This is pretty cool. Like, this is extremely traveler friendly too. I love it. You can put it in your purse. You can take it traveling with you. So these are really awesome options that you can have. And then what you do is you just put the top on. There's a little roller ball in here. You just put the top on, and then you have a homemade DIY roller ball blend specific to relief, which is pretty cool. Or you can even use these oils. So Past Tense, which is a tension blend. I love this in rollerball form because I carry one in my purse. So if I'm really feeling tense, stressed, or if I have a muscle that's really tight, I just take it and I rub it right on the targeted spot. And then the last oil, it comes with another Deep Blue because you've probably used your other one up by now, so it comes with another one. So those are the 3 kits over 3 months, so you get 1 a month. And then again, if you want to just start from square one again, or if you want to try one of the other two wellness targeted kits, you're more than welcome to. I'm super excited about these programs. I just wanted to share them with you because I use them, and I wanted to kind of give you a quick insight as to what they look like, how super easy and functional that they are to use, and just kind of some ways that I use them myself in my everyday life. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Thanks.